Today's story is The Adventure of Lily and Hidden Tunnel. Lily loved exploring the forest along the riverbank near her village. One sunny afternoon, she walked along the narrow path, enjoying the sound of birds and cool breeze. Suddenly, she saw an old wooden bridge across the river. Curious, Lily decided to walk across the bridge. It cracked under her feet, but she carefully reached the other side. There, she noticed a small hole below a big rock. She knelt under a tree near the rock and peeked below it. To her surprise, it was the entrance to a tunnel. Excited, she crawled under the rock and went into the tunnel. Inside, the tunnel stretched along the ground and seemed dark and mysterious. She moved across the tunnel, touching the walls along the way. After a few minutes, she saw light shining below a crack in the roof. Finally, she reached the end of the tunnel and found a hidden garden filled with colorful flowers. It was like a secret paradise. Lily felt proud of her adventure and promised to visit the garden often. So, friend, the moral of the story is curiosity and courage can lead you across challenges and into amazing discoveries.